In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on CapCut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open a project on your CapCut application. Now in here, just go ahead and edit your project depending on how you want to edit it. You can simply use the tools that you can find at the bottom of your screen to edit your video. You can just go ahead and click on the video to edit the video further. Now once you have finalized your video, you can go ahead and click on that at the top right corner of your screen. So in here, just go ahead and edit your video further and finalize it before you export it. So click on the 1080p button at the top right corner of your screen beside the export. And here, go ahead and click on Watermark. You'll find this at the bottom of the section under the code rate section. So in here, make sure to set this to visible. And in here, you can go ahead and select the position of the watermark for your video. You can set it to upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right. If you're a free user of CapCut, you won't be able to have the option of setting your watermark to hidden. And the best thing that you can do with this watermark is to set it on the best position that you want to set it for your video.